Welcome to another episode of Money Script Monday. And my name is Robert Rayburn, and today we're going to be talking about LifePro Asset Management, which is our turnkey advisory platform for you, our advisor partners. This platform was designed to not only help you accumulate assets under management, but really help increase your life insurance and annuity sales. We're able to do this because we push the same values that we do with life insurance and annuities, which are capital protection or principal protection, tax efficiency, and stability at the core of everything we do under our holistic plans. Now, we have three core objectives when we designed this RIA platform. First, we wanted to simplify the retirement process for your clients. That's very, very key. The second thing is we wanted to make sure that the overall plan was risk and tax efficient. So in other words, your clients are going to not only be sold on the plan, but they're going to stick with the plan over time. And last, but certainly not least, we wanted to create a more robust and profitable business for you, the advisor. Now, the first step in achieving these three goals is to really make your client's life a lot easier. Now, we do that through our simplified retirement process. Most clients today have multiple brokerage accounts, and sometimes the amount of pages in those statements on a monthly basis can be upwards of 30 to 40 and even 50 pages, as we discovered the other day. Our first objective is to take all those accounts and consolidate them into one custodian platform. Now, we offer two custodians for you to choose from, either TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab. Now, based on the platform that best meets your needs, we then open up those client accounts and we consolidate all of their assets into one clean statement. And that really allows us to tackle not only what they currently own, but really where they should be going. Secondly, we are reducing the impact of outside influences. Now, what do I mean by that? One of the things that we've noticed when we created life insurance and annuity plans is that in many cases, an outside advisor that's really focused on the investment piece can disrupt the entire funding plan because clients are allocating a certain amount of funding for those life insurance plans, but then an outside advisor comes in and steers those funds away toward the investment plan, and that can disrupt everything. By creating one advisory solution, or in other words, one estate plan, you control all of the funding, whether it's life insurance and annuity or investments, and that will create a better outcome for you and the client. Thirdly, everything we do is based on needs-based financial planning. In other words, focusing on what does the client need and how do we get the client to meet those needs with the least amount of risk possible. And the last point is we're always working toward one common objective. The life insurance, annuity, and investment components are all working symbiotically and together toward this one common objective versus competing, as is the case with many of your clients today. The second thing is, the next step really is to say, how do we create a risk and tax efficient solution when we're incorporating that investment piece? Well, that was really simple to us because we've focused on principal protection for so many years through Indexed Universal Life that we said our platform is going to focus on capital accumulation, reducing the impact of taxes not only today but in the future, and then maximizing the amount of capital that is principal protected. By doing that, we're really reducing the overall risk of the plan, and we're allowing the client to take a little bit more risk on the investment side as a result. Now, we get to this point by going through an easy 3-step process that we created here at LifePro. The first step is determining what does the client need in order to maintain their lifestyle in retirement. Now, one of the things I always say to advisors is that the government calls Social Security for a reason. We are trying to secure their lifestyle in retirement. We're not trying to gain wealth, we're trying to secure their wealth. So what we do is once we determine the lifestyle funding, we secure that lifestyle by maximizing principal protected tools such as, but not limited to, indexed universal life and fixed index annuities. Once we've secured that lifestyle and we've secured the minimum amount of death benefit required by the client, we then move and invest the surplus. When the client knows that their retirement is secured, they're actually able to take a little bit more risk on those surplus savings, and overall we create a more risk-efficient portfolio. Now, last but not least, we wanted to take all of this and create a more robust and profitable business for you, the advisor. Now, one of the things that we hear from advisors is that, Robert, I'm already jam-packed with business, with servicing clients. How on earth am I going to be able to add an entirely new layer of business and sleep at night? Well, fortunately, the way we've designed this platform is that it's completely customized and turnkey to fit your business. So if you just have no time for an assets under management business, we will do it all for you, and you earn the fees that are charged to the client. What this creates is a 2-income stream business model for your advisory business. A, we're able to maximize and increase your fixed life insurance and annuity sales by creating holistic estate plans for your clients. And B, we're able to capture that fee-based business that you're currently leaving on the table. And the best part about this is that it means no additional work on your end. We're going to do that for you. The second thing is the cross-sell strategy. Over the last 4 months, we've really assessed where have advisors really had success so far under our platform. And that success has really been in the cross-sell strategy. Most of our advisors, especially our top advisors, create tons of value with indexed universal life, other types of life insurance products, and annuities. So it's really easy for them to revisit those clients that they've created a lot of success for already, and then say to those clients, listen, everything I've done for you on the life insurance and annuity side, I want to do something with the same sort of values and that is going to work toward that same common objective that we talked about on the investment side. And more times, 9 times out of 10, the client is saying, yes, let's do it. So what that overall creates is a more loyal client base. I brought up the example of Microsoft Windows. In other words, what we're really doing is we're creating an operating system for you to offer your clients. And the more that we can service your clients, the more sticky that business is going to be over the long term, and the more cash flow you're going to generate for your business. In other words, we're providing a long-term annuity for your business. So to wrap all of this up, LifePro Asset Management is really a life insurance and annuity-centric type of asset management platform where we really place principal protection and tax and protection against future taxes at the core of everything we do. And then once we've secured those core risks for the client, we then invest the surplus. We think that this is an exciting new platform and a new approach to investing. And that's really the message that we wanted to push forward today. And if you have any more information, if you want any more information on how we can help you get started, please feel free to call me or email me or anyone else here at LifePro, and we will provide that information right away. Thanks again for your time, and we appreciate all of the business you're already doing with us and for all of the future business that we look forward to working together with you. Thanks again.